Hey everyone, it's Melanie Grace, and I'm so glad you're here. My last video was really popular. You guys are very interested in seeing the fact that I inherited so much fabric. But I also wanted to let you guys know that I also inherited some sewing machines. This thing's a beast. It's so heavy. It's so heavy. Oh, it is a signature sewing machine. We're gonna turn this around and you're gonna see what's up. Here she is. I got the feet. This is a signature. And let's see. Ward sewing machine. Montgomery. But you take a look. This machine has, let me turn it around. It has this, the belt is in pieces. Yeah, Montgomery Ward. But it's this beautiful green. And I just don't know what to do with it. It didn't come with a pedal. I mean, it still works. Then it came with all these feet. Hang on. This is gross. As I moved it, like all this stuff from the belt just disintegrated. Gross. You guys are going to have to help me out here. What is this? It looks like you would put like fabric in there. That looks like it hooks on, or maybe it hooks on this way. Hold on, let's zoom. It's a ruffler. It makes ruffles. Oh, and then you can determine like how big you want your ruffle. That's fun. I don't know. I have no idea. No idea. That looks like good foot for, sewing lines. And then this foot. Is it a compensating foot? But you're flat. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know what that is. And it looks like this is an extra base. Maybe this doesn't even go to this machine. This was given to me out of the house. I don't think this goes to this machine. This does not go with this machine. This goes to a far different machine. This goes to like a Bernina, doesn't it? So here's the deal on the sewing machine. My mother-in-law probably bought it at an estate sale because she loved going to estate sales. Now, it does not have a foot. It did not come with a pedal. What should I do with it? In the comment section below, let me know. Should I keep it? Should I sell it? I had someone take it to a sewing machine store, and they said that it would cost about $200 to repair, but it's also worth about $200. So the repairs are what it's worth exactly. But because it's a heavy mechanical metal machine, they said that it's really good for quilting, which, as you know, I like to do. So what do you think I should do? Do you want to buy it from me? If you are in the Southern California area, I'm more than happy to meet you in person and hand deliver this super heavy Montgomery Ward signature mint green sewing machine that really, really needs a new belt and a quality cleaning. Want to see what else? Want to see the other machine? You ready? The next one comes in this case, and it's not nearly as heavy. Oh, but it's still kind of heavy. Let's move you down just a little bit. Can I angle you? I don't know if I can angle you. Can you guys see? Can we zoom out? No? Hold on, I'm gonna move you guys back. You can see the entirety of my bedroom. This one I'm really excited about. Any guesses? Any guesses? Alrighty. We take this little tray out. And then it is a Singer Featherweight. And it comes with a foot. There's thread in it, and it has like a new foot on it. I think my mother-in-law was sewing on it. The fact that my mother-in-law had these amazing machines just floors me. It just floors me. This one, I definitely want to see if it works. Let me flip you around and we'll take a little tour. All right, so there we are, Singer. It's got this beautiful crest. There's the handle, so shiny and reflective. It smells like machine oil. Let's turn it around so you can read. Sewing motor. Sorry, I know some of you guys said you get seasick. I just get so excited. And this is the front of it. It's so beautiful. It looks like oh, it's a magnet. That's kind of fun. It was just beautiful. See, and it looks like she put on a seam guide foot. And this lifts up and it lifts down. And that is the Singer. It's just absolutely beautiful, very lightweight. Like, that's my left arm. The other machine was so heavy. Oh, she's just beautiful. And then in the case, let me see, can I move that forward? In the case, this is where like the extra bobbins are, the nice metal bobbins that are just waiting to be sewn. We have the Singer portable electric machine, instruction manual, fashion aids. Like, this is vintage. 1923, so this is probably produced in 1941. Oh, then there's the thread. No doubt the thread that she was using. And these should be the feet. It's another one of those things. It's a, what do we call it? A fluffer? A ribboner? I don't even remember what it was called. My machine does not have one of those. What else do we got? Okay. Oh, that's fun. A little curled, or like a little rolled hem. This, I don't know what that does. I guess you put fabric in there. You more pleating. Pleating, that's the word I'm looking for. This foot is, what is that? Another rolled hem? I think that's a rolled hem. Ooh. I'm not really sure what to do with that, but that is definitely a closed foot. Zipper foot? Maybe. I don't know. And then we got some very small Singer screwdrivers. There you go, guys. Another amazing piece of inherited things. I want to talk about the bobbins just for a second. Like, these bobbins are really awesome. This beautiful color blue. But this case has these great little things for holding your bobbins. You just put them on these little things, and they just kind of hold them. They hold them in there for you. That should be on there. But yeah, I mean, it's just such a genius little case. As far as I can tell, this thing does not pop out. Ooh, a key. A key. Let's see. A machine lubricant. There's some more machine oil. Oh, and then she had some... Whoa! Are these like vintage snips? Like solid... Wow! Check out the beak on those guys. Very cool. Well, guys, next up, let's try to sew with it.